This video is on how to animate graphics in PowerPoint. Right now I have a slide open and I'm going to show you how I animated them. They're going to go one at a time. So I'm going to go to animation and then preview. And you can see each graphic fades in one at a time. So let me show you how. The first thing I'm going to do, since these are already animated, I'm going to remove the animation. Again, I'm in animation and I'm going to go to animation pane. Here are the 5 graphics. I'm going to click on the first one, hold down the Shift key, and now I've selected all of them, and I'm going to hit delete. And that's removed the animation. So now to go back and animate them, I'm going to click on each graphic. So here's the first one. I'm in animation, and I'm going to tell it to fade. I'm going to put these out of order so I can show you how to reorder. All right, now if I preview, you can see they each fade in, but they're fading in the wrong order. So to change it, again, I'm in animation. I'm going to go to the animation pane. If I click on the graphic, I'm on the first one, it shows me the location, and he's in the first spot, and that's correct. Next, I want the arrow, so I'll click on the arrow, and you can see it's in the 4th spot. I can use these arrows, or else I can just click and drag. She's in the 4th, and let's move her up to the 3rd. All right, now they should be in the correct order. There we go. Now they're all animated and in the right order. If you have questions, please email me at learn@vegetarianhomeschooler.com.